down. He's coming back.
Have to get a new bike then. Hello YouTube, thanks for joining me. I'm off on a group ride today with my dad and Jason, who's on the MT-07. I'm not sure where he's. I think he must be at this petrol station. Okay, I don't know where he is. Oh no, there he is. Okay, found him. So there's Jason on the MT-07. I didn't know where you'd gone. I thought you might have gone to the one on the left.
Oh, okay. Can you stay cool with that on?
We'll see.
Once we're going.
Yeah, hopefully.
Miles per gallon average.
That's good. 65 yesterday, but that's what.
Yeah, I get about 60 usually.
I don't drive frugally.
I'm on this MT-07 forum, and some people get 30 to the gallon. I just think, well, if you want to waste your money,
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah.
We're on the road again. I think we're heading towards Winchester. So I think by the time I post this video, the 1 year sort of, I'd say, anniversary since I started this channel would have passed. I think it's on the 23rd of April. It's surprising how quick time goes by. In this second year of motovlogging, I'm planning to, well, I'm hoping I'm going to get more videos done. I was doing quite well, I think, at the beginning, and it's sort of, I had a couple of quiet months where I didn't post anything, and then more recently I've started posting slightly more frequently. But yeah, I would like to get out and ride a bit more and make some more videos for you. So this is the Saturday of the long Easter bank holiday weekend, hence why there's traffic everywhere. Hopefully we'll get through most of it. So yeah, the next year I do want to try and make some more videos. Next weekend on the, I think is it 28th of April, I'm planning to go to a motovloggers meetup over at Rikers Cafe near Dorking. So I know a couple of people who I've been chatting to here on YouTube who are going. So anyone who's watching and fancies a nice day out, I'd recommend it. It sounds like it should be a good day. Hopefully I'll get this video out before the 28th, otherwise it's a bit pointless me telling you. I think I might be in the market for possibly another jacket. I've sort of got two extremes. I've got my jacket, which is a textile one that I got when I first started riding, and it's fine, but it's a bit lightweight, and it doesn't feel that protective really. It doesn't fill me with too much confidence that if I was to go down whilst wearing that, it would help me too much. And then the other extreme, I'm wearing this jacket, which seems to be the other end of the spectrum. It's quite heavy, very warm. It's got quite beefy shoulder, elbow protectors. Not so much in the back section though. So yeah, I might be looking out for one. So if there's any recommendations of something which is sort of English summer appropriate, looks alright, offers a bit of protection, isn't too expensive, then please do let me know. So yeah, regarding the motovlog meetup on the 28th of April, looking forward to it. I've been looking to meet some other motovloggers and bikers in general. It would be quite nice to meet some new faces, especially because there are a few that I've been talking to on YouTube for the last year or so. Joys of English country lane on a sunny bank holiday weekend. I'm feeling a bit hot. I'm feeling a bit hot.
Yeah, I did exactly.
I need to take these glasses off as well. They're giving me a headache.
Have you got trouser?
No.
They're quite handy.
There we go.